Upper Kenilworth has seen a lot of development recently, but its old charm remains unchanged. Kenilworth Main Road now boasts a large variety of useful shops, lovely cafes and stores. A highlight is Oakhurst Farm Stall, which sells everything from fresh produce, quality wines, delicious homemade bakes, preserve and much more. It's also a perfect spot for breakfast, lunch or some tea and cake. Across the road you'll find Neat Bakery. Pick up a delicious loaf of bread or stop for a quick breakfast. As you move further down the main road, you find yourself in Claremont. On the border of the two suburbs is the Ardene Gardens, a South African provincial heritage site with over 400 tree species in its 5 hectares. A stunning place to go for a walk or just relax. It's been a long favourite location for wedding photos. Close by are the schools of Herschel and Western Province Preparatory School, just 2 of the great schools found in the area. Cavendish Square is probably the most well-liked mall in the area, with ample parking and a huge array of top quality shops in a central location. The positioning of Upper Kenilworth and Claremont is excellent. It's close to all major highways and only a short drive to the city centre, Cape Town's beaches, Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens, the northern suburbs and many of the other desired locations of the city. This area is perfect for young, old, couples, families, a place for all and everyone.